Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on online surveys with Typeform step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Typeform website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once registered, log in to your Typeform account. After logging in, click on the create button to start a new form. Select survey from the list of available options. Customize your survey by choosing a template that fits your needs. Begin adding questions by clicking on the plus icon. Typeform offers various question types, such as multiple choice, short answer, and rating. To make your survey more engaging, consider using images or videos. Drag and drop questions to rearrange them as needed. After adding all necessary questions, click on the Design tab to personalize the look of your survey. You can adjust colors, fonts, and background images to match your branding. Once the design is complete, navigate to the Settings tab. Here, you can configure your survey's logic, notifications, and response settings. Make sure to set up notifications to stay updated on responses. When everything looks good, click on the Share button to generate the survey link. Copy the link to distribute your survey. You can share it via email or social media platforms to reach your audience. To monitor responses, return to your Typeform dashboard. Click on the survey to access detailed analytics and feedback. Review the collected data to gain valuable insights. Adjust your survey based on initial responses if needed. By following these steps, you can efficiently create and manage online surveys with Typeform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.